How many of you thought manifesting was just moon phases or vision boards? I coded an AI coach that actually works, and I'm gonna scale this to $1 million business. In this video, you will see how I turned my midlife crisis into code, and why basic manifestation apps are garbage, and how you can start building your own dream life application too. Oh, by the way, I'm dropping this application for free for now, but only for my ride or dies. Let's go. You might be wondering, why build a manifestation app? Let me ask you this. How many times have you seen videos, articles, or books promising that manifestation will make you rich, happy, and healthy?
I have an insane belief in my own ability to manifest things. Insane belief.
I have this weird manifesting gift, I think.
To manifest, whatever it is that you are wanting to manifest, you speak to it as though it's already happened.
This is how Marilyn Monroe created her beauty and fame.
I daydreamed chiefly about beauty. I dreamed of myself becoming so beautiful that people would turn to look at me when I passed. I dreamed of myself walking proudly in beautiful clothes and being admired by everyone and overhearing words of praise.
But how many of them actually show you how to do it in a structured and repeatable way? So here's my story. I've been going through a lot lately: burnout, health issues, money stress, family tension, you name it. A friend sent me a book, Manifest 7 Steps to Living Your Best Life. I read it, and it's very inspiring, of course, but when I sat down to manifest, I got stuck. Like, what exactly should I manifest? How do I visualize it clearly? What do I actually say when I manifest? And most importantly, how do I make it a habit instead of something I forget by next Tuesday? You may say, yeah, this book shows you 7 steps, right? So just follow them. It sounds easy, but I cannot open a book every time I manifest and read the chapter. So that's when I realized I didn't need more motivation. I needed a system, something that could guide me, remind me, and help me stay aligned without a book in hand. So I tried existing manifestation apps on the market, but most of them were either too fluffy, too rigid, or treated everyone the same. So I asked myself, what if I could help me build a smarter and personalized manifestation coach? One that actually knows me, follows a proven structure from a book like this one, and helps me to do the work, not just to feel inspired, but actually help me. Maybe it could also help others too. Imagine this. Every morning I wake up, the app already knows what I'm manifesting. It generates a custom affirmation based on my current mindset and long term goal. And throughout the day, it nudges me, it keeps me focused, it reminds me of who I am becoming. The idea is the more I manifest, the faster I align with the life I want. So now let's talk about how to build this application. As an experienced product manager, I know you don't start by coding. You start with a clear plan, a PRD, product requirement document. And when you're working with AI, your PRD becomes the prompt system. It's how you teach the model what to build. So I wrote a detailed PRD that Cursor AI could actually read and generate code from. If you want a breakdown of how I write PRDs for AI, drop a comment below. I'll create a separate video about it. And no, I didn't build the full app at once. I started with an MVP, minimum viable product. Why? Because I want to test product market fit fast. And the MVP includes a guided goal setting quiz, which can tell you what is your primary mental block, and AI generated affirmations with text to speech voiceovers.
I am worthy of all my desires. My confidence grows stronger each day. My potential is limitless.
and a vision board powered by dynamic content. So, how long did it take? With Cursor AI, I spent 2 hours during the weekend. But behind the scenes, I spent 2 days on my PRD with market research, core features, UI UX flow, and a go to market plan. And right now, I'm giving early access to the app for free so that I can gather more feedback to keep improving it. If you want to try it, drop a comment below and I'll send you the link. In the next video, I'll show you how I use Cursor AI and no-code tool to build the full version of this application end to end and get it published to iOS and Google Play. So if you are building something big or just wanted to build something for yourself, subscribe, follow this journey together with me, and let's build something that changes lives, starting with ours. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.